Welcome to Big Island, Hawaii.
Kona Vistas, an exclusive community perched above Kailua, Kona. This modern island retreat, completed in 2022, is a true architectural gem.
Hi, welcome. Aloha, I am Chiaki Yamada, real estate broker from Big Island, Hawaii. Welcome to my listing.
Set at a comfortable 670-foot elevation on a generous 3/4 acre lot, the home offers sweeping 180-degree views of the Pacific Ocean. Step inside to an airy, open-concept layout with soaring ceilings and 32 feet of Fleetwood sliding glass doors. These doors fully retract to reveal more than 700 square feet of covered lānai, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor living spaces. Heart of the home is a chef's kitchen featuring custom walnut cabinetry, sleek countertops, and high-end appliances. The open flow to the dining area and great room makes this space ideal for entertaining, while thoughtful design ensures both beauty and functionality.
Now, let me show you beautiful primary bedroom suite.
The home offers 4 spacious bedrooms, including primary and junior suites for flexibility and privacy. The primary suite serves as a luxurious retreat with a spa-inspired bath, freestanding soaking tub, and walk-in shower, all designed for relaxation.
Opposite of the primary bedroom, we have 2 beautiful spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths.
Each bedroom is appointed with 8-foot solid core doors, high-quality finishes, and tranquil garden or ocean views. The junior suite offers privacy and comfort with its own ensuite bathroom, ocean views, and a private sliding door leading to the lānai. Perfect for guests or family to enjoy seamless indoor-outdoor living.
Now, let me show you fourth bedroom. It can be used as an office, bedroom, or a game room. If you or anybody you know who's thinking about selling or buying real estate on Big Island, Hawaii, I'll be happy to be of your service. Mahalo!